What are you building? So, that's a one. That's the crane, anak. That's the crane. You know, on top of the building? That's the one that they kwan.
Wow, si Papa.
Nag-crane siya. Oh, what's that? You're doing construction? Okay, that's a crane, baby. You know the one that's on top of the building that's moving? Is this one? Huh? What's that? Okay. Oh, you get it, you get it. You pull it on top. So, pilot now.
Take off it.
Take off na tayo? Sige. Ginawang sports car ah.
No, wait. Look at me. Put your hand here, okay? The airplane goes up, down, right, and left, okay? You have to wait until this number turns 120 and then take it off, okay? Yes. Leave it. Put your hand here. Take it. Hand up to you. Yes. Yellow. Go up. I'm gonna fly higher. Very nice. See? Very nice. Come on, make it straight. Let's make it. Yalla, you can go wherever you want. You go to USA.
You go back to your country. Come on.
No, it's not. Look like this. Up. Yeah.
There you go. Come on.
Are you ready for the landing or
جاهزة لاستقبالكم لتذهبوا في رحلة مذهلة عبر يرجى
Okay, look. Now, put your hand here. Yes. Look. Now, you have to stay straight and go down and land here. Okay?
Attention future travelers.
Do you need any help?
Hello adventurers. This is your friendly gate agent calling you to head to your gate. Flight RJ501 is now boarding for an amazing journey through the sky. Please grab your imagination, fasten your seatbelts, and make your way to the gate. I'm on boarding call. Let's get ready to fly.
What do you think? Jump. You have to go here. Let me help you. And then straight. Straight. Bravo. Now, take it off. Bravo. Ayun, bravo.
Oh, you go down now. You go down. You go down. Get the paint down.
And then a little bit to the left. Yes. Now straight. طيب. Now we have to turn off the engines. Pull them off. Bravo.
Drop.
No, up. On your. Yes.
Pull the lever up. Okay. Turbulence. Good. Yeah, guys, good afternoon. This is chicken maftul. This is with rice. So, it's like a rice na parang beans na munggo. But it's made of wheat. And then chicken, soup, and barban sauce.
Lemon.
Okay, and then we put,
You put lemon powder and
this one is lemon extract. Put like that. And then it is this kumun. Kumin.
Make the ajin and make it like this.
Okay, baba.
By their hand, they make it like this.
This one?
Yes.
Nice.
You try it.
So, this is sweet novelty shop, no? Here in Jordan. See, lots of chocolate. Yes po, kamusta ang blood sugar? Lots of chocolates. Dash, oh, ito yung gusto mo, Dash, oh. Wow. Wow. Grabe, 25 JD, no? Isang piraso? See, many sweet delicacies here in Jordan. Wow. Many sweet delicacies here in Jordan. Ray, come here. Yeah, it's a sweet store shop with lots of chocolates. As you can see, this one around 49 JD. This one 9 JD. You're gonna eat here. Who gave you that? So here you go, guys, the famous kunafa here in Jordan. Yan, it's I don't know what's made of. See that creamy look with burnt. I don't know what's the ingredients of this one, but they call this one kunafa. One of their delicacies here in Jordan. So dito kami sa Cosmo. It's a grocery store here in Jordan. So yan, may mga noodles din sila. Hey, what's that? No, it's scary. It's spicy. No noodles. No instant noodles. Lola will get mad. Pansit na lang. Yan, so yung mga tinda nila, mga cheese. What's that? What? Cheese stick? You put it back. There's a lot of cheese. Okay. There's a lot of drinks though. What's that? Lola will make na lang. Lola will make, you ask. What's this? Macaroni and cheese, right? Oh, that's Lola to make. This is yogurt section. Come here, guys. Huh? No, hot dog. No, preservative. No. I don't like. Full cream. Yeah. Daming ko, no? Ang asawa ko, naghahanap na naman ng Zonrox. Ha? Naghahanap ka ng Zonrox? Lotion. Ano naman lotion dyan? Dito ka, sa kabila. Where's mommy?
Mommy super ask Lola
Oh, you ask Lola. Mommy, here, I got a surprise for you. Ah? Nahanap ko na yung gusto yung hinahanap mo. Ito, oh. Sodro. Hindi nga lang Sodrox o Clorox.